Good morning. My name is Saeed Farroui, Managing Director of RCM2. Today is Monday, 26th of April 2021. We are here at Network Rail, RIDC, Melton Mowbray at Widmer Pool Station to install OptRail fiber optic sensing to avoid void and to detect growth of cracks at the switches and crossings.
Down at mine, down at that.
To support the RCM2 fiber interrogator cabinet, we have designed this bespoke, easily carryable, not very heavy foundation. Obviously we optimize the height of the cabinet to allow the least amount of foundation with the lowest depth, but to support the concrete and also get this threaded bolts in place, we've designed a small metallic frame, the blue ones at the bottom. And now this duct allows us to push both electricity in to the cabinet as well as the fiber out through the manhole to the track side.
Yep.
There you go for it.
Yeah.
That's all you need, back and forth. Back and forth and forth. There we go. Right, that's us done. See you later.
Now what's alright?
Can't be, is it?
Now look, some old loads.
Towards me, innit?
Yeah, towards you, Mo.